Hey everyone, Chris here. Got a quick little tech review for you. First off, let me get the disclaimer out of the way. I am by no means an IT professional. I'm just your regular average Joe who knows his way around the computer. So that being said, we're going to take a look at this K360 Slim keyboard by Logitech. One of the cool things I liked about this particular keyboard, first off, it's unifying. So I like that I can have one unifying adapter and control up to six components for my system. And this keyboard also promotes a 36-month battery life. So if you've been watching any of my other videos, you know I go through keyboards quite often. I got some sort of weird obsession with it. So it's kind of neat that I know that this keyboard, the battery in this keyboard is going to last until I get another keyboard. So real quick, let's take a look at the packaging. You saw the front, here's the back. Yeah, it's just a standard box, really not that much to talk about. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the actual keyboard itself. So here we have the actual keyboard. You have your on-off switch right here. You have multimedia controls here, so your volume controls plus play forward and back over here. It's a compact keyboard, but you still have the number pad to the right, and that's really what I liked. I tried using a keyboard without the number pad, didn't last long. So I do like that it is compact, it does have a number pad. Actually, let's take a look at the back next. So here is the battery compartment. You can see it takes two AA's, and this is where you would store your unifying adapter. I have this one actually plugged into my system right now. And you see right here, this is the logo for the unifying technology. You have to be careful because actually I saw a set, I think it was this exact keyboard, and there was a keyboard mouse combo that the particular model, I think this one, was released with and without unifying technology. So you have to be careful as to which one you're getting. Now I do like the feel of the keys. It's really kind of like a laptop style keyboard. It's not your classic keyboard with all the buttons right on top of each other. It took some getting used to, but I do like it now because it does remind me of the keyboard on my notebook. One thing I don't care about with this particular keyboard, it had a protective film covering on this which I peeled off, and you have a glossy black background. The problem with the glossy black anything, and I don't know why people use it, yeah, it looks pretty when it's nice and clean, but you get the fingerprints on them all the time, and it's impossible to keep it looking nice. I found myself trying to wipe this particular keyboard down almost obsessively when I first got it, and it's not, I don't know if you can see it on the actual camera or the video. Let's see if I can zoom in here. But you can kind of pick it up. Just using a soft cloth, somehow it got all scratched. It scratched very easily. And so, plus I got some marks right here, which is actually me trying to rub the scratches out with my finger. And I think just the dry skin I may have had on my finger at the time put some scratches in it. So that was extremely annoying. So that being said, they do make this particular keyboard in different colors. So I picked this one up. It's the same exact model, but this is kind of like a matte dark gray color and not that glossy black. So I definitely like this one a lot better. So I use this one at home, and this guy here I actually bring into the office at work. So I don't have to stare at it as much as I do this one at home. So that's pretty much it. I do like the keyboard. I like the way the keys feel. I like how compact it is. I love the battery life because I was always going through batteries with my other wireless keyboards and mice. So I definitely recommend this particular keyboard, but you got to get the right color. I don't recommend the glossy black one. If you find like this matte gray, that's awesome too. They have some other ones, like some red ones I think I saw. But yeah, recommend the keyboard, just gotta find the right color. If you have any particular questions at all, please let me know down below. As always, I thank you for tuning in. Until next time, we'll talk to you later.